Ever thought about earning money just by using your skills online? That's freelancing. No office, no boss, just you, your talents, and the clients who need them. And you might already have what it takes. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage a social media page, or even fix a website, you have a skill people will pay for. So where do you find these clients? On platforms like trueworkio.com. It's simple. You build a profile, list what you do, and clients who need your help can find and contact you. The key for new freelancers is to start small. Don't try to do everything. Pick one skill, truly master it, and offer simple services that solve a real problem. From there, it's about building trust. Send clear proposals, do the work with integrity, and always deliver on time. One great job is your best advertisement for the next one. But remember, freelancing isn't instant money. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about combining your skill with consistency. Focus on building real value for your clients, and the income will follow.